What's good, everybody? Who is LouieXIII back again? I am Louie. You guys already know what it is, man. You see the whip right here. You see everything on it. I ain't gonna take you around back just yet, but just know, man, you guys see the title, you see the thumbnail, you see everything, man. You should know what this video is about. You know what this video is about. I know why you're here, man. I know what you want to see. I got that for you. We're about to do a little install with the carbon fiber wing on the 2020 Dodge Charger 392 SCATPACK wide body. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do it. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like and all that in a minute. We're gonna get right to it. We ain't gonna waste no time. If you guys are interested in anything such as the merch, anything I use and recommend, feel free to browse below in the description. If you like gaming, if you're into gaming, you could go check out the gaming channel. All the links are down below in the description. If you enjoy the content, this is definitely not all we do. We do a whole lot of stuff. We go to Mexico. Man, we do a whole lot of stuff, guys. So if you enjoy the content, be sure to give it a like, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything, and drop a comment down below. Tell me your guys' thoughts, man. Without further ado, we gonna get right to it, man. Much love, appreciate you guys. Let's get right to this install. All right, so to put on the wing, you know we got that carbon fiber wing. What we're gonna need to do is take these clips out right here. Got a couple clips, you got one of them broke last time I was doing this, so we're gonna be missing one. I gotta replace that. So just be careful when pulling these out. They are a little bit fragile. Well, not fragile, but they will break easily. So you got those two right there. And you got a couple more up here. So 5 clips all together. Take those out, and then should be able to remove this after that. We got to get under here, and there's going to be a couple clips that we need to get to. Everything else should slide right through, all the rest of this stuff. So that's going to be a T20 torque screw, one on each side. Boom, get those 2 out of there. And depending on the year, Charger or Challenger, whatever you got, you might not have that. This is the 2020, so I do. So that thing comes right out after that, and then should be able to just pull this thing right out like so. Set that to the side. All right, and the ones that we're looking for are these right here, and you see there's a little white clip on there. That's going to be one. And then we got to take this off, remove these little things right here. Just make sure you're careful while doing it. Once you get those off, then you see we got the other screws right here, our little bolts. So we just undo these. So we're gonna undo this bolt, we're gonna undo these 2, and then one over here, and then the other ones are just clips. And then I believe there is some double-sided tape that we'll need to remove. So once we do all that, I'll show you guys the process once we get there. All right, we got all those off, as you guys can see. So now, close this up. We should be able to just pull it right off. Like I said, it does have double-sided tape under there. So you just gotta kind of force it up. So these clips are in there good. There it is. Now, just the double-sided tape. Boom. There it is. Got them things off. There's the factory wing. And as you can see, we got a little double-sided tape there. So I'll have to remove all this, clean it up. Once I remove all this, clean it up, and we'll be right back, show you the next steps. And this is what I'm using to clean it, guys. I don't have any rubbing alcohol, but this stuff works real good. So if you guys want to get some of this stuff, I do have the link down below in the description, as well as everything else I use and recommend. So if you're interested in any of this stuff, go check it out. So just in case you guys were wondering what a SCATPACK Charger looks like without a wing, there it is. You know what I'm saying? Get a little sneak peek. before we put that next level carbon fiber up on there, man. Because you already see the side skirts, you already seen the lip, and if you didn't, go check that other video. But there it is, man. That's how it looks without the wing. Next, you're gonna see how top level it looks with that carbon fiber thing. There's a stock one right there. All right, let's unwrap this carbon fiber wing now. You guys probably already seen it, but just in case you didn't, about to see what it's like. There it is. Boom. Carbon fiber, baby. And that thing's gonna go on right there. Probably throw a little double-sided tape, you know, just to be safe. Basically, you guys are gonna use the factory screws that it came with this wing right here, but since it didn't come with some of them, you know, some of them that are still in the factory one, as you guys could see, it didn't come with these clips, you know, or these right here. So it is missing a couple. So I just went ahead, as you guys could see, it just has the one in the middle and then two on the sides. So I just went ahead and put some double-sided tape down for a little extra security, but it should be good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this thing on there. Try to line it up right. Alright guys, so apparently I thought it was going to be able to use the factory screws, but I guess not, which is a little frustrating because I'm pretty sure they said I was going to be able to use factory screws. So what I'm doing is I'm just screwing these in for now, since I wasn't prepared to have to use a riveting tool or anything. I didn't have any washers, so I'm just screwing these in for now, and later I'll unscrew them and I'll make sure to put a washer right here with these. So hopefully this holds it down good and this thing don't come flying off on the freeway, but we're gonna find out. Alright guys, so basically what I did, since the factory screws didn't work, I used some of these type of screws right here, you know, and I just screwed them in there. I didn't have any washers or anything, so I just did that for now. I'm gonna get some washers and put them in there, but for now that's what I did, along with the double-sided tape. So hopefully it doesn't come flying off on the freeway, man. We'll see. But it's on there. You guys see it. Carbon fiber wing. We're running out of daylight though, so I'm gonna put all this stuff back on and then I'll show you guys how it looks. Alright man, you guys see it, and excuse the loud exhaust noise, but we're running out of daylight. But I'll get you guys a better view tomorrow. But there it is, man. That carbon fiber, baby. Yeah, next level. Just wait for that diffuser, man. Unfortunately, we couldn't get that on. You see the side skirts. You see the wing. Yes, sir. Look at this. This. Oh my God. That thing is mean though, bruh. Next level. Killing the game. Killing the motherfucking game. You guys see it, man. Glistening in the sun. On there pretty sturdy, you know. Sheesh. right, so you guys seen it. You guys seen it. Unfortunately, it is it's a little bit of a gloomy day today. Well, actually the sun already went down, but it rained today, and it wasn't that nice of a day, man. So the car isn't as clean as I would like it to be, unfortunately. I did get a little B-roll footage for you guys of when I actually installed it, which was quite a few weeks ago. But you guys see the wing right there, man. It looks dope. I like it a lot. All links are down below in the description. If you guys want to get one, just let them know that I sent you. You guys already know how that goes. And let me know if you guys caught one too. Check it out, we got my man's on the go-kart. My man was on the go-kart smoking a cigarette. But you guys see it, man. There it is. Let me know what you guys think. Drop a comment down below. You see that carbon fiber? Looks good even though it ain't even clean, man. But yeah, man, there it is, the whole walk around. You see the whole carbon fiber body kit. There he goes again. I already dropped the video on how to install the splitter, so go check that out if that's something you're interested in. You guys see the splitter right there. I might install the front piece too here pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. And I got the video on how to install these side skirts too. I'll give you guys a little sneak preview. And we also have the diffuser coming. The diffuser didn't fit. You know, the one that they sent me, it was a little warped or whatever. The way that it dried wasn't correct. So I got that diffuser coming too. We're gonna do the same thing with that. And we got a whole lot of other stuff on the way as well. So stay tuned for all the content, guys. Appreciate you guys so much. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, that notification bell so you guys don't miss anything. Drop a comment down below, tell me your thoughts. And like I said, man, all links are down below if you guys are interested in anything. All of my social platforms, the merch, everything, guys. Appreciate you guys so much. Who is LouieXIII checking out? I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Salute.